Minestrone. The name conjures up images of a hearty, rustic soup simmering on the stovetop. Simple ingredients transformed by time and tradition into a comforting dish. This Italian classic has a history as rich as its flavor. It stretches back to ancient Rome. Imagine the bustling streets of Rome. Life wasn't easy for the average Roman citizen. Minestrone was born in ordinary households, a soup of necessity, made with available ingredients, simple yet nourishing, stretching limited resources. A testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Roman people. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about the rich history of Italian cuisine and discover more delicious recipes. You might think a soup born out of necessity wouldn't allow for creativity, but even with limited ingredients, ancient Roman cooks made their minestrone unique. Leftover vegetables, hillside herbs, and a piece of cured meat or bone, everything had a place in the pot. Waste was not an option. This humble soup became a canvas for resourcefulness. Imagine the aroma of garlic and onions sizzling in olive oil, the earthy scent of root vegetables mingling with wild herbs. A stale loaf would be crumbled into the soup, adding texture and substance. This ancient minestrone reflected the Roman spirit, adaptable and resourceful. As the Roman Empire expanded, so too did the reach of its cuisine. Roman soldiers and merchants carried their culinary traditions with them, spreading the concept of minestrone throughout the Italian peninsula. Over time, this simple soup began to evolve, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. The fall of the Roman Empire didn't diminish minestrone's popularity. Instead, it continued to thrive, becoming a staple in kitchens across Italy. Each region embraced this adaptable dish, making it their own by incorporating local produce and culinary traditions. In the northern regions, where dairy farming was prevalent, minestrone often included rice and Parmesan cheese. Down south, where tomatoes flourished under the Mediterranean sun, these vibrant fruits found their way into the pot, lending a touch of sweetness and acidity. And so, what was once a simple poor man's soup began its transformation into a true culinary classic. It became a dish that reflected not only the resourcefulness of the Italian people, but also the incredible diversity of their land. Today, traveling through Italy is like embarking on a minestrone tasting adventure. Each region boasts its own unique take on this classic soup, a testament to the country's culinary diversity. In Tuscany, you'll find a hearty minestrone thickened with bread and enriched with cavolo nero, a dark leafy green cabbage. Venture to Liguria, and you'll encounter featuring pesto, green beans, and potatoes. Head south to Naples, and you'll discover a minestrone brimming with the flavors of the Mediterranean, ripe tomatoes, zucchini, and fragrant basil. And in the Veneto region, a comforting soup with pasta and beans reigns supreme. Each variation tells a story, a delicious narrative of local ingredients, culinary traditions, and regional pride. It's a reminder that Italian cuisine is not a monolith, but rather a vibrant tapestry woven from countless threads of regional variation. The 15th century marked a pivotal moment in culinary history, the Columbian Exchange. As ships sailed back and forth across the Atlantic, they carried not only goods and people, but also a wealth of new ingredients. And among these newfound treasures were vegetables that would forever change the landscape of Italian cuisine, including minestrone. Tomatoes, once an unknown fruit from the New World, found a welcoming home in Italian kitchens. Their bright acidity and sweetness added a depth of flavor that quickly made them indispensable in countless dishes, including minestrone. But it wasn't just tomatoes. Potatoes, zucchini, and beans, all native to the Americas, became integral parts of the minestrone repertoire, further enriching its flavor and nutritional value. These New World vegetables seamlessly integrated into the existing culinary traditions, adding new layers of taste and texture to this already versatile soup. The Columbian Exchange serves as a delicious reminder that cuisine is not static. It's a living, breathing entity that evolves and adapts with the introduction of new ingredients and cultural influences. One of the most beautiful aspects of minestrone is its connection to the natural world. It's a soup that celebrates the rhythm of the seasons, embracing the bounty of fresh produce available at different times of the year. In spring, when tender asparagus and peas are in abundance, they find their way into the pot, lending a touch of sweetness and vibrancy. Summer brings an abundance of zucchini, bell peppers, and ripe tomatoes, transforming minestrone into a celebration of sunshine and warmth. As autumn arrives, the focus shifts to heartier fare. Root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and celery take center stage, their earthy flavors adding depth and warmth to the soup. And in winter, when temperatures drop, minestrone provides a welcome dose of comfort and nourishment, often featuring beans, lentils, and cabbage for extra substance. This adaptability to seasonal ingredients is part of what makes minestrone so special. It's a reminder that the best meals are often those that reflect the natural world around us. Growing up in an Italian household, the aroma of minestrone simmering on the stovetop was a familiar comfort. It was a dish that spoke of my grandmother's love and wisdom, a testament to her ability to create something truly extraordinary from the simplest of ingredients. Minestrone, you see, is more than just a soup. It's a lesson in thrift and resourcefulness passed down through generations of Italian cooks. It's about using every last bit of produce, transforming leftovers into a delicious and satisfying meal. A stalk of celery that's seen better days, a handful of wilted spinach, a few leftover beans. Nothing goes to waste in Nonna's kitchen. These seemingly insignificant scraps are given new life in the pot, their flavors melding together to create a symphony of taste. It's a reminder that true culinary artistry lies not in expensive ingredients or complicated techniques, but in the ability to transform the ordinary into something truly extraordinary. Throughout Italian history, minestrone has been a constant companion, a source of sustenance and comfort during times of hardship. From economic downturns to periods of war and scarcity, this humble soup has always been there, providing nourishment and a sense of hope. During the difficult years following World War II, when resources were scarce and families struggled to make ends meet, minestrone became a lifeline. It was a way to stretch limited rations, to turn a few simple ingredients into a meal that could feed a family. But minestrone offered more than just physical sustenance. It provided emotional comfort as well. In a time of uncertainty and hardship, a warm bowl of minestrone represented stability, tradition, and a connection to the past. It was a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there was still beauty and nourishment to be found in the simplest of things. Centuries have passed since minestrone first bubbled away on ancient Roman hearths. Yet this humble soup remains as popular as ever, a testament to its enduring appeal. But what is it about minestrone that continues to captivate palates and warm hearts across generations? Perhaps it's the simplicity of the dish, the way it allows fresh, seasonal ingredients to shine. Maybe it's the comforting aroma that fills the kitchen, conjuring up memories of family meals and cherished traditions. Or maybe it's the versatility of minestrone, the way it can be adapted to suit any season, any occasion, any palate. Whatever the reason, there's no denying the enduring power of this classic Italian soup. It's a dish that transcends time and trends, a timeless classic that continues to nourish both body and soul. Minestrone is more than just a dish, it's a reflection of the Italian spirit itself. It embodies the values of family, tradition, resourcefulness, and a deep appreciation for the bounty of the land. It's a reminder that the best meals are often the simplest, made with love and care from fresh, seasonal ingredients. It's about gathering around the table with loved ones, sharing stories and laughter over a steaming bowl of something delicious and comforting. In a world that often feels increasingly fast-paced and disconnected, minestrone offers a welcome respite. It invites us to slow down, to savor the flavors of tradition, and to appreciate the simple pleasures in life. It's a reminder that some things never go out of style, and that the best recipes are often the ones that have been passed down through generations. So the next time you find yourself craving a warm and comforting meal, I encourage you to embark on your own minestrone adventure. Head to the market, select the freshest seasonal vegetables that catch your eye, and let your intuition guide you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and textures, adding your own personal touch to this timeless classic. And as the aroma of your homemade minestrone fills your kitchen, remember that you're partaking in a culinary tradition that stretches back centuries, a tradition that celebrates the simple pleasures of good food shared with those you love. From the humblest of beginnings in ancient Rome, minestrone has made an incredible journey, evolving and adapting over time to become a beloved staple on tables around the world. It's a testament to the power of food to connect us to the past, to nourish our bodies and souls, and to bring people together.